इस खबर के पेश करता है अरेबियन जूसेस एंड सलाड्स।
Thank you very much, Chairman, sir. In the recent shortlisting of the venues of IPL, it has come as a huge shock to Hyderabad, sir, because IPL authorities have dropped Hyderabad as a venue. We really do not have any objection when other venues are selected. But if you look into the cities selected, let it be Calcutta or Chennai, the elections are due. And the number of COVID cases which are coming up in Delhi and Mumbai are definitely alarming. And this is the reason what the IPL authority has given, saying that it is because of the COVID we are not selected Hyderabad. It is really pathetic, sir. Second thing is, Hyderabad is always selected as the best playing ground for continuously for 4 times. And third thing, it is IPL which conducts the cricket matches, not the local cricket authorities. It is a huge revenue loss, sir. On behalf of the Government of India, we assure the full cooperation and support to the BCCA and the IPL authorities in conducting this, sir.
Thank you.
We request IPL authorities to please reconsider this so that we can assure that Hyderabad will definitely become a safest bet, sir. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू।
हमारे HN न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करिए ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशंस आती रहे वक्त पर।